Jeepstock 2019 will be here before we know it, and you do not want to miss it. Midwest Jeep Thing's 15th annual Jeepstock is September 13th through the 15th at SMORR, Southern Missouri Offroad Ranch in Seymour, Missouri.
Jeepstock is a family-friendly event. With nearly 1,000 acres of trails, our guided trail groups will offer hours of wheeling for every driver experience level and every Jeep from stock to extreme. In addition to the great wheeling and hanging with all your Jeep peeps, there will be all-inclusive packages offered again, and of course, the big raffle where we give away thousands of dollars in prizes.
Primitive camping, cabins, and electric sites are all available. Shirts and club swag is also included.
For more information on Jeepstock 2019, visit MidwestJeepThing.com and look in the events section. Tickets will go on sale April 1st for members only and on April 10th for everyone else. Don't miss out on this amazing weekend for the entire family.